Variables and expressions. A variable is a letter or symbol that represents a number that can change. Usually it looks like an X, a Y, a K, or lowercase letter. A constant is a number that does not change, like 10 or 7. When you evaluate, you use substitution. Step 1, rewrite the expression. So evaluate the variable expression y minus 7 for y equals 8. So we've rewritten it. Step 2, substitute for the variable. I took out the y and I put in the 8. Step 3, solve. So let's try it. R plus 9 for r equals 6. So we're going to take out the r and put in the 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. Step 3 is to solve. So the only thing that changed was to take the r out, put the 6 in. 5k means to 5 times k. So 5, you're going to have to put in your multiplication sign there because you can't just put 58 because that wouldn't be right. So you'd have to put the 5 times k. Now work it out and you get 40. Might also see them in tables. Again, here are all your x's right here, and here is where you solve it. So x plus 8. Over here they substituted in 7 plus 8 and got 15. So let's try it. X plus 8, and let's substitute in 8. 8 plus 8, show your work out to the side, and you get 16. 9 plus 8, this time I substituted the 9 for the x. 9 plus 8 is 17. You can try some harder ones, but the steps are the same. 5y plus 30, 5y plus 30. Substitute in 5 times 10 plus 30, 50 plus 30. And remember, you do your multiplication before your addition. Be sure and use your order of operations. Is 80. 2x minus 3. Now, the trick to this one is to remember that this means to multiply. A number next to parentheses means to multiply. Follow the same steps. 5 minus 3 here. We took out the x, put in the 5. Order of operations tells us to do parentheses before multiplication. So now we have 2 times 2 is 4. When you're working in a table, it works the same way. 2n plus 3. I won't do all of these because it will work the same way all the way down. But 2 times n, so we would do 2 times 2 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. On the next one, you would do 2 times 4 because we're substituting in for the n and put in a 4 plus 3. So we have 8 plus 3 is 11. The tricky part over here is recognizing that n squared actually means n times n. So you would have 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. This would be 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. You can also have more than one variable. So 4x plus y works the exact same way. This time you would substitute in for both variables. 4 times 3 for the x plus y. Told us to use 10. Now work it with order of operations. You get 12 plus 10. So your answer is 22. On the last one, we have 6 plus 2mn. Again, these mean to multiply. So 6 plus 2 times 12 times 2, the m and the n. Use your order of operations, multiplication first. 24. 6 plus 24 times 2. Multiplication again would come next. 48. Bring down your 6 plus, and you have 52.